Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm back with the sale order entry form in which we are developing it to enter the form, the order data, sale order data entry can be done, as well as the same thing can be used for the editing as well. But for the entry or edit, so let's make the changes in the so that the order number and the date. The date is appearing here, but let's make the order number also appear here, so that if a new order required, then a new order number, uh, and the new order can be created. And if any existing order number is entered, then the same format is going to use to display the details of the desired order. Okay, so let's go to the initialize event, which is creating the new order number, and let's make it appear into a text box. Okay, so let's go there, and we go here, and we go to the sale order. Okay, and in the sale order we have the initialize option, the event. At the time of initializing, it is using some code that is creating a new order number and date, right? So order number is being created here, fair enough, and this. So, so let's go to the form, and we create a place in which we want this order number to be appeared. Okay. So we use these two controls together, and we press Control C and Control V here. Okay, and we put it here. That's it. So for this label, we simply change the caption. It's order number. It's now order number. Okay. Okay. Actually, it should be placed a bit common position. What is the best position in which it should appear? I think it should be on the top, right? Okay. So what we do here, we make a room for it to appear, right? Or we can put it here. This is order number, and let's make it like this. Okay, we put it here. This is the order number, and we will name it as a text box. We name it as order number. Order number, right? Or just type order, because order number we are already using a variable, so it does not, we don't get confused with that. So this is an order, say put order 1 in here, because order may be a keyword as well. So order 1. Okay. 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 So this is the order 1 text, and What we do here is in the initialize option of the set, we directly go to the initialize option of there, and here we have order one. This is the order number which we have. Yeah, order number. Order number is this. Okay. What we do here, we do order one dot text is equal to order number. That's it. Okay. So it is going to be appeared here. Okay. So let's see that it's working or not. And why not? Means, of course, it is going to work. And the date is also being displayed properly. That's right. Okay. So it's always good to see that you have the quite right response of your coding. Yeah, it is doing as desired by you. Okay, so 80 to 83. Right now, every new order number will appear here, and you are the rest of the things are as usual. They will work as you know. Okay, so this is the person, this is the customer for which Nancy Heller Freehafer is creating an order for customer company C, and you have so many or things to order. To record the order for this customer, right? The rest is the same, right? Whatever you. Okay. Now that you have to use it, and another thing which we want, we should also uh, bring some other information like the customer's representative name should also be displayed, right? So we make a room in here, uh, and this is the email address. That's fine. We can move it here, and we can bring the customer re, the representative number or contact name should also be displayed, right? So how would we do this? Let's close it. The customer, if you see, we have the customer table. In this customer table, you have this first name and last name available for this person, and the address. This is fine. So the right place for this information is actually the shipment. Yes, in the shipment tab, you can have this displayed as well, right? Right. That at what address you want this to be, the order to be shipped, right? So, and we go back to the form in the shipment form. Okay, we create, we put control V here, right? So this is going to be uh, 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 the name of the shipment means addressee, or you see company rep. or customer representative, cost representative, whoever his name is going to appear here. Okay, what else you want to be appeared? You can have its designation, its company name, it's fine, okay. And you can have the address and city and and state and province and zip code. Okay, so let's get back to here and we put control A here. So this is going to be the address now. Okay, so this is customer address. The shipment address on which you want the goods to be delivered, and you can have also the city, state, and zip code. Well, let's copy this. Control C. This is now city. It is fine. And you can have the state, state, and you can have what is it? This is the zip code. Codes. Okay. And you can also have a phone. Yeah, you can keep on. It's always good to be consistent in this. Okay. So this is contact number of or fax or whatever it is. Yeah, you can have some phone number. Yeah, you can have multiple phone numbers in here. Okay, so that's it. And what else you can have? So this is the shipment information and the shipment date. You know, and the shipment company. Yeah. Normally we have a shipment company. Control A. Two or three shipment companies, whichever are available or assigned for a customer to deal with. So this is going to be the shipment company. or shipper. Huh? And instead of this, we will have a combo box because there can be multiple shippers. To carry this parcel to deliver it to the customer. Okay, shipper. And the shipment date is also essential. Well, let's use date. Okay. So this is the ship date which is to be entered. So let's have a look at how it uh, works in a real runtime. Okay, so this is how it is appearing. Okay, uh, right. The new order is taken and it is changeable. Now, in the next video, we are going to display the existing orders which are entered so that you, as soon as you enter a number which is already existing, so uh, all these information will be picked from where? From the already entered orders. Right? For example, an order 36 is entered, right? So the employee name who entered it and the customer name will come here, and the order date, this, and its details are available. In the SO detail, you go, and in the order ID, when you go to the forward number, when order number is 4 now. So this is order ID 30. Okay. So, yeah, order ID 30. So this 4 is employee number, right? So 36 is the order ID which we are targeting. So when you click 36 in the form, this information will appear. Also, the item listed under the order number 36 would appear there. So that is 36, this one. So this is a chocolate item. This is 10 packs, 12. This should appear as soon as you enter 36. When you enter it here and enter 36. So a code has to be written that it populates all this information on the basis of the information which is available in the sheet, and it picks all this. So this is our next video topic. We will show you how easily we can do it. Thank you very much for joining.